Hi, my name is Glenn Madis, and I'm the head of corporate finance in BDO Estonia. BDO Estonia welcomes everyone who has decided to expand their knowledge of Estonian business environment and the local electronic residency program. In this video, we'll give you some practical tips on starting your business here in Estonia. We are proud of our digital achievements, which create opportunities for everyone to manage their business fully online. Let's have a brief look at what e-Residency is. Some of you may have already heard. E-Residency, meaning electronic residency, is a status letting you manage an EU-based company online, and it is technically available through a personal e-Residency card, which looks a lot like a usual bank card. The benefits of e-Residency are the following. You'll be able to sign any document digitally. Estonia has been actively using digital signature for years, and it is accepted throughout the country. With e-Residency card, you will get access to a wide range of electronic services, such as online banking, commercial register, governmental databases, electronic services of the tax and custom boards, and many more. However, please note that an e-residence card is not a personal identification document. It does not automatically give you the Estonian tax residency, and it is not related to citizenship or give the right to physically enter or reside in Estonia.
E-Residency is usually promoted as a solution letting you establish a company fully online, but let us highlight some cases where it is more complicated than it initially seems to be. You can register a business fully electronically using the company registration platform only if all persons involved are able to sign the initial application and establishment documents digitally. So if the founder and member of the management board is a natural person with e-Residency, it is quite easy to establish a company online. However, if the founder is a legal entity, then a lot of documents have to be collected and translated into Estonian, which makes the establishment of a company fully online very time-consuming and stressful. Therefore, in such a case, it would be easier and more reasonable to establish the company at the notary's office, as the notary can check the documents and advise you. It would be definitely safer to establish a company in cooperation with your local tax and legal advisor, who can assist you in the preparation of the documents and designing them in accordance with the company's needs. This will provide you with a higher level of assurance about the correctness of the documents. Many e-residents ask about the process of opening a bank account in Estonia. As mentioned before, e-residency doesn't mean that you are an Estonian resident or tax resident. It means that you have access to electronic services and can give a digital signature, but this will not help you when opening a bank account. If you wish to open a bank account in Estonia, please remember that you need to show that your business is closely connected to Estonia, not that you are an e-resident.
When planning your business, knowledge of the tax system is extremely relevant. Estonia has a very business-friendly tax system. The corporate income tax rate in Estonia is 20%. However, special feature of the system is the fact that only distributed profits, such as dividends and certain expenses, are taxed. In regard to value-added tax, the general rate in Estonia is 20%, but some goods and services are taxed at 9% or 0%, and some are tax-exempt. As in other EU countries, a person becomes liable to VAT after registering for VAT and getting a VAT number. If the annual taxable turnover of your company exceeds 40,000 euros, you are required to register the company as a VAT payer. Otherwise, registration is not obligatory. Besides the low rates, the most comfortable part is that declaring both corporate income tax and VAT is extremely convenient with the help of the Estonian e-Residency card, as then the tax returns can be submitted on the Tax and Customs Board website fully online. It makes the Estonian tax environment attractive to any entrepreneur who seeks location-independent business management solutions.
Accounting in Estonia is also supported by online services that you can access by obtaining an e-residence status. Each year, a company needs to prepare and file an annual report. This is something you need to do even if the company has not conducted any business activities in Estonia during the year. The deadline is 6 months after the financial year end. Usually the financial year coincides with the calendar year. However, the first reporting period can be up to 18 months. Annual reports are submitted through electronic platforms. Electronic filing also reduces reporting to other authorities, saving your time and costs. It is good to know that it is possible to automatically generate 2 parallel reports, one in Estonian and one in English. If you have obtained an e-Residency card, you can sign the annual report digitally and even submit it yourself.
E-Residency card significantly simplifies access to a wide range of electronic platforms necessary for payroll operations. In Estonia, it is obligatory for an employer to register all the employees and declare their salary payments and taxes. It is usually done online by a payroll specialist. Payroll specialists also use an online governmental platform where the employer must approve employees' sick leave certificates, which have been issued by doctors. The same environment is used to claim state-funded vacation compensations. Therefore, it makes sense to hire a local payroll specialist to make sure that you are in compliance with all local regulatory requirements. However, the e-Residency card can help you out and save your time here as well. In practice, it is often necessary to give authorization to a payroll specialist or to confirm an application. Instead of drawing up a standard power of attorney at notary's office and sending it by snail mail, you can use your e-Residency card and grant authorization to the payroll specialists within 3 minutes by making just a few clicks fully online. Here are some examples of the authorities whose databases and platforms you will be able to access: the Tax and Customs Board, the Unemployment Insurance Fund, the Labor Inspectorate, and many more.
Based on our experience, we can confirm that e-Residency, among with its technical solutions, provide a great opportunity for location-independent business management that saves times and eliminates needless bureaucracy and cost. BDO Estonia will be happy to assist you in establishing your business and helping you learn all the advantages of e-Residency. So feel free to contact us.